health channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you make energy booster by using lemon and honey. How can you make energy booster by using lemon and honey? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. Okay, so our drink is now ready. So this drink, it contains water, it contains lemon, also it contains honey. So this drink is very beneficial is an energy booster. So you make this drink and then you take it in the morning. So in the morning before you go to work, you take this drink. And lemon, it contains citric acid, but also it contains vitamin C, so it's very beneficial. Also, honey has a lot of function, very many functions, so many advantages. Honey has antimicrobial properties, honey helps for sore throat, so honey has a lot of functions. But also this drink helps to boost your immunity. So if you have low immunity and you take this drink, also beneficial for boosting the immunity. Not only that, but also this drink helps in weight loss. So if you're obese, and you want to lose weight, also can take this drink. This drink is also beneficial for weight loss. So let me know if you've ever used this drink and has already been useful to you. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.